Good morning. The real estate people commits lot of frauds. They give wide publication through medias, TV channel. Now they are even inviting you to offering that if you book for a flat, you will be gifted with a car. All these fancy, deceptive ad or only to collect money from you. Sir, there are continuously a lot of cheating frauds, siphoning this collected amount uh, being collected from the flat bookers through bank installments amount. They will stipend to some other scheme. For all these things, the legislation after statistical information review enacted Real Estate Regulation Act. Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 16 of 2016. Now you can file application against builder for all remedies. Now question arises whether the parties who booked for flats can file application before Consumer Redressal Forum or before this RERA tribunal. For that complicated question was finally settled by Supreme Court. In AR 2021, Supreme Court 70, Imperia Structures Limited versus Anil Patni, wherein they have categorically held that RERA Act since 18 gives a right without prejudice to any other remedy available. In effect, such other remedies acknowledged and saved subject always to the applicability of Section 79. Section 100 of 2019 Act is akin to Section 3 of the CP Act. CP Act means Consumer Protection Act. And Section 107 saves all action taken or purported to have been taken under CP Act. It is significant that Section 100 is enacted with intent to secure the remedies under Section 219 Act dealing with the protection of the interest of consumers even after RR Act was brought into force. Therefore, thus the proceedings initiated by the complainants in the present case and the resultant action, including the orders by the commissions, are fully saved. So they have saved the National Commission's order. So for want of details how they are being cheated, you can go through the history of the case at paragraph 1 and continuously, and what all are the unilateral contract being executed and how deceptively they have left these parties, and some of them also received some amount, and this is what had happened and periodically happened. They have also elaborately discussed the right and duties of the allottees, the right and duties of the builders, and compulsory registration of real estate business, failing which the penalty. A lot of things have been discussed. So you have to go through the judgment. Kindly keep this judgment on your file. Even if you are a budding advocate, there are possibility of cases coming to you, and you file consumer forum also, and also lodge a complaint to RR. So lot of difficulties are being faced. Even they used to fabricate the documents annexing the irrelevant land to show that they have got substantial land up as required for approval of land, and subsequently the real original owner may object to that, drag to the court for all this real estate. And further thing is that this real estate business is being financed by government officials, politicians, and the PWD and other allied construction sectors and department indulging in this real estate business, construction of flat. They supply the material contrary to the rules, and siphoning the materials and these other goods from uh, from 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 the place where they ought to have sent it to these real estate promoters. This way only. So there are few cases. A man can even without work indulging in white collar crimes and cheating business may claim, number one, I am a politician. A Kachil, I am in politics, even without holding any key post. Then another one was what is your business? I am doing real estate business. This is the two terms which they want to hide their real culpability activities for money laundering, and also assist money launder the politicians and government servant who amass wealth by committing offences and prevention of corruption. These things are what are happening, and therefore kindly go through this judgment. It will facilitate you to understand what all are the procedure and what all are the difficulties which give cause of action to approach RERA as well as consumer forum. Best wishes.